All right, here's the infamous flying roaches, otherwise known as seagulls. They're like dogs. Roaches of the sky. Oh, how you doing? We don't need a dump. All you gotta do is get a place like this and throw out your food. And they have no fear. They'll eat right from your hand if you hold it up there long enough. All right, here we are. And look at this. They're like looters too. Watch this. You can put a ketchup on a napkin. I call them roaches of the sky. They're piranhas of the sky. Get out of my way! Get out of my way! All right. Made my contribution. God feeds the birds of the sky. All right. You're welcome.